Getting paid daily using Google Maps is easy if you have the right system in place. Complete beginners make as much as $5,000 per month from Google My Business. That's how much you can make. Today I'll show you how to get paid daily using Google Maps by offering setup services, ranking services, and pay-per-call services. I'll show you how to build a $100 per day Google Maps business without experience, skills, and money. And best of all, you can make money with Google Maps without working yourself to death. I'll give you my copy-paste formula to make at least $100 per day online. It's time to make some life-changing money. For those of you who don't know what a Google Maps listing is, Google Maps appear on the top of Google when you do a search for a service in your local area. Let's say you're trying to find a roofer. You would go to Google and search for roofer plus city name. And here you have it, the map pack. Today's video is going to show you how you can monetize different facets of Google Maps. Make sure you stay until the end so you see how I undress monetization method 3, which is the most effective and most profitable way to monetize Google My Business.
Can you do me a favor?
Annihilate the like button for me, please. It would really help me out a lot. Thank you very much. Subscribe now if you haven't done so yet. Also click the notification bell to be the first to watch my next video. Monetization method 1. Setup services. Setup services are a great way for you to earn a full-time income. You want to focus on businesses that are either not listed in the maps yet or are listed but not ranked yet. Businesses that don't have an existing Google My Business listing are missing out on a ton of targeted local search traffic and desperately need someone like you to help them. Even if a company generates most of its current leads and sales from a different traffic source, not having a Google My Business listing is a definite mistake. An easy way to find businesses that are not listed in the maps yet is by opening up Yelp, searching for a service, and typing the businesses that you find into the Google search engine. A business that does not appear in the maps is a business you should contact immediately. Pick up the phone and call the business to let them know that you can help them set up a Google My Business listing for a small fee of $250, which includes the creation, verification, and optimization of the GMB listing. So first you create the Google My Business listing and request the postcard to be sent to your client's location. Next, you verify the map using the Google code your client received. Once the listing is verified, you can go ahead and start optimizing it. Add secondary and tertiary categories that are strongly correlated to the business. Add service areas if necessary. Add business hours. Add a description focusing on the keywords and services your client is looking to rank for. Upload a minimum of 3 to 5 photos of your client's location and services that either you or your client took at the business location. The photo should be named after your targeted keywords. You can also upload a logo to your client's listing. That's all you need to do to earn a $250 listing setup fee. The whole process really shouldn't take you longer than 90 minutes. This is a process that you can do yourself or outsource to someone for a small fee. So it could look like this. You charge your client a $250 listing setup fee and maybe pay someone $50 to do all the work for you. So you're looking at a $200 net profit for a task that took you just a few minutes to complete. That's really good money. Monetization method 2. Ranking services. Ranking services can make you even more money than setup services, as 90% of businesses need to rank higher in the maps to generate more leads and sales from Google. You can offer ranking services to any company that is listed in the maps but not ranked in the free pack yet. You should always offer ranking help to your clients who opted for the setup service. They should trust you by the time you deliver the fully verified and optimized Google Maps listing. Here's what you need to do. Use a search from to see where the company's GMB ranks at the moment. Make a list of all the keywords the company should rank for. They need to rank in the top 3, also known as the free pack, to get substantial traffic from Google search. So make sure to have a list of keywords ready before you call the company. You can charge anywhere from $500 all the way up to $3,000 to get a company ranked for a single keyword in the top of the map pack. Oh yeah, that's how much you can make. Show your client a sample of a GMB that successfully ranked in the top of the map pack. In order to rank your client in the top of the map pack, I recommend to focus on the following. Reviews. Have a look at your top competitors to see how many reviews they have. Chances are your client needs at least the same amount of reviews. So get your client the needed reviews. You also want to get citations. Citations are mentionings of your client's NAP info across the web. NAP stands for name, address, phone number of the business. Include the Google Maps link on the most popular citation sites for this particular niche. Citations are really effective in helping you with ranking your GMB in the top of the map pack. You don't have to build citations manually. You can outsource citation building to a reputable seller on Fiverr. Tell your client about all the citations you're going to build for them to have the best chances to rank high in the maps. I also recommend creating several videos around your client's targeted keywords and uploading those videos to YouTube. You can easily create videos with Content Samurai. Content Samurai turns written content into videos with minimal effort involved. Remember, we are after citations, not visitors from YouTube. So the quality of the video is not that important. The video serves as a citation, also known as backlink, to your client's Google My Business listing. Your client's Google My Business listing should also be embedded on all major social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. Offering a Google Maps ranking service is a great way for you to make a lot of money in business. Just 3 clients at $1,500 a pop would come down to $4,500 earned. Even if you outsourced every single facet that it takes to rank a Google My Business listing and paid someone $500, you would still be left with a decent $1,000 profit per client. This does not include any recurring payments you may get paid from your client in the future. That's some really good money.
That's some good money.
That's some good money.
Smash the like button if you're ready to get paid daily using Google Maps. Monetization method free pay-per-lead services. Another way to make phenomenal money from Google Maps is by offering pay-per-lead services. Instead of offering setup and ranking services, you are now offering your client pay-per-lead services, which means that your client will pay you for each and every lead generated. If you decide to go with this model, it's really important that you focus on the right kind of businesses. Working with a personal injury attorney client can make you as much as $200 per qualified phone call. Working with a health insurance company can make you as much as $100 per qualified phone call. Auto insurance as much as $50 per qualified phone call. Pay-per-lead clients are super easy to come by because your clients are only gonna pay you if and when you generate a lead for them. This is one of the best ways to get paid daily using Google Maps. It's literally zero risk for the company you are working with. You can target companies with existing as well as no Google My Business listings. Pick up the phone and call a few companies. Tell them that you'll be sending them a few leads for free so they can see that you are in fact the real deal. If your client is happy with the leads that you send them, it is time to charge them a flat fee for each lead generated. So it would only cost you a bit of time to get the Google Maps listing created, optimized, and ranked. This is a sweet way to make money from Google Maps. I mean, think about it. Once the listings are ranked and are generating traffic, you're literally gonna make $300 per day on complete autopilot. This system is one of the hidden gems that most internet marketers don't want you to know about. It's a gold mine.
It's a gold mine.
It's a gold mine.
I really hope you enjoyed this video on how to get paid daily using Google Maps. I use Google Maps every day in my business and it has made me a lot of money. Whether you like method 1, 2, or 3, get started now. Now that you have absorbed the info I shared with you, you are ready for success. Got questions about Google Maps? Feel free to leave a comment below. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.